Hi, my name is Jahin, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn any links into interactive contents using an free app. So, the link of the app will be given in the description. So, click the link and then just click on install. So, this link will turn any content from TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube or Reels to content rich and interactive content into our Shopify store within one click using the app. Okay, unless adding any app is any video is somehow very complex, so this app will make it easier, so you can make UGC content very easily for your product. So click on install, and then we need to click install button again in the Shopify backend for any app, and it will redirect us to the app dashboard, which is very easy to use app. There is nothing complex. It will just integrate into our theme and we can start using the app. Okay. After that, it will ask us to go for a plan. Right now, you can see 10 links, and which is good enough. Now I will select just the free plan and I will click on approve. I will click on start onboarding. So we need to embed the app into our Shopify store. Click on active and it will open the theme editor for us. Like any other Shopify app, if you have used before, we need to embed that app into our theme so it will work perfectly. So click on save and it will be embedded. Now you can come to your Shopify theme and go to any page and start using the app very easily. Let me show you how. Just come and click add section and then go to apps and choose the embed any widget. Okay, so click on it and then click on this and then you can paste the URL here and that now URL provided. So if you want to add a TikTok video, just go to TikTok and find a product related to it, a video related to it. Click on copy link. It is not mandatory, it should be yours. Then paste it here and you will find that this will turn into an interactive content within a second. Okay, as you can see, this turn into a interactive content. This video turn into a interactive content right now. As you can see, this is how it looks. So if I click on add block, you can see I can go to apps and click on add block and I can start adding another video, under that one. Okay, so click on this, the second one, and you can add a YouTube video as well. So click copy the YouTube video URL, go here, and then you can just paste it like before. Okay, so this app will help us to add any video into an interactive widget within a seconds. Okay, as you can see, my YouTube video is showing properly, but if you want a gap between them, then you can add them as a new section. So click on add section and then go to apps again and choose embed any. So don't add it under the same apps, then it will be better. There will be some gap in between that, so you can paste it and it will be there. So you can see right again, the video is there and there is some gap between the content. So you can click on save, and if I click on preview this video will be shown. As you can see, this is the TikTok video and this is the YouTube video. Okay, both are showing, and this is the way you can go to any page. Like, so let me show you another way of adding the video. Already see how to add the video itself, but we can add video in multi columns as well. Like if I click on add section in Dawn theme or any other theme you are using, just go to multi column layout, right? And there will be 3 column. You can increase or decrease the column. So some case you may want to show your videos just like that, interactive content just like that. So what you need to do, go to the each of the content. So maybe this is a review from your customers, so give the headline like Elliot. Okay, maybe your customer, he is one of your customer. Get the video from Instagram, YouTube, anywhere. I'm just using an Instagram example for YouTube example for now. And then you just need to paste the link in this description panel, but this will not work until you just select all of them with Control A and click this italic version. Okay, so if you make it italic, it will automatically turn into a link, interactive link. So let's see if it is working or not. So we need to click this view live. Okay, it does not need it to view live. it already turned into a video. So as you can see how we did it, we paste the video link in the description, and then I control A and make it italic, and this making italic will make that app, the embed any app, will trigger that a particular interactive content from a link which was not possible without that particular app. So you can see now, if you want the if you want to change it a bit, if you want to add a button below it, you can do that, right? Like read reviews, you can redirect that button to a review page. Whatever you do, it will work. So that's how this app will allow us to add reviews just like that with multi-column. You can do the same for each of the column. Go to each of the column and then just make that link italic after pasting it, and it will work properly. You may want to make it center align. You just go to that setting and then make those columns center align. Maybe there is some setting, yes, that's it. So that's how it will properly work. Also, you can embed a whole site into in we using this app. How? Like you can need to go to add section, go to embed any, and you may find a site which is relevant to your product or anything. Okay, for example, I go to acquisition.com, acquisition.com from Alex Hormuzi. Okay, from Alex Hormuzi, and I may want to embed this homepage from that particular website. So I'll control a control C to copy all of it, go to my website, I will paste the link, and then just like before we need to click on save, and let's see. And as you can see, this website is added as a scrolling website. As you can see, if I go to view live page, you may will be able to see it properly. Okay, so let's click on view live page and come to bottom. As you can see, this how it looks. um, Whatever in your case, as you can see, this website can be scrolled properly, right? Whole website is working, and as well as the menus will be loaded. Menus is also clickable, and also we can browse it from the whole website from our website. Our domain is not redirecting or anything, it is just switching from page to page from that, from our Shopify store. So I hope that makes sense, and let's see few more use case of that particular app as well. If you want the video to be added in your product page, you can go to the product page template, and the same way you can just click on it. You can go to any section. For example, I want to add that after the product section, I can click add section, and I can go to apps just like that, go to embed any widget, click on add any widget, and paste the video URL. It could be from YouTube, it could be from TikTok, it could be from YouTube shorts or Instagram, anywhere. Okay, just click on save, and this will work perfectly. And this how you can turn any link into interactive content using this app. Okay, there is, it actually supports more than 80 plus, 800 plus platform, right? Calendly or anything you content, you are limited to text. When it's your product description on the page, it's a pain to add engaging content. Embed any, let's embed content anywhere in your store by pasting a link to it, almost any content imaginable. Okay, and for example, if I want to edit, for example, if I want to edit here, in the theme configuration, if I click add block, I can go here and I can add a video inside that particular after the pricing. Okay, if I want to add a video of my product into that particular area, it would not be easier if the app is not there. For example, if you want to add a video, there is no video block available to add inside the product page, but within this app, you, by using this app, you can easily add it here, right? So that's how this content will make it easier to turn anything into interactive content, interactive any links into interactive video contents. Okay, so I hope that helps. So please let me know in the comment if you have any questions. So thank you very much for your time.